guess that's just your way. You keep playing all those silly games. Well, I know the price you will pay. It just seems that you don't care. How do you know and how do you feel? What are you looking for? It's all too much to say. Don't even know what's under your nose, and you're losing yourself. Will it always be this?